Hello guys, welcome to the W fixing today. So we are going to solve the problem, but it's not the problem. We are going to see how to disable the lock screen on Windows 10 or the removing that annoying lock screen. Okay, if you have the problem with the lock screen. So we are going to solve this problem in a step by step manner, or we are going to see how we can do that. Okay. So we don't have that much solutions to this problem. I mean, it's not the problem. So what to do, what we have to do is we have to remove the lock screen on Windows 10 home. Okay, so you have to just open the registry editor. For that, what we will do is we will open our regedit. Okay, you just type here regedit, you will see, or what you have to do is, if you are not getting from searching here, then type here Windows plus R. What I have typed here is Windows plus R. Okay, both type at a time, then you will see the run dialog in front of you, regedit. So just type here regedit, just click on OK and click on S. So you can see here in front of us there is a registry editor, and I will close this tab so you will not get confused. Okay, so you have to follow my steps. Okay, so it's quite bit jumbling, so you will find it hard, but I will make it easy for you. Okay, so for that, what you have to do is we have to first open H key local machine. Okay, you can see here H key local machine. So for that we have to expand this H key local machine. Then what we have to click on, we have to expand the software. Again we have to expand the software. Just follow my steps guys. Okay, software, then we have to go to policies, where you will see the policies. Okay, it's arranged in alphabetical order, so we are going to see here the policies file, expand it. And then again what you have to do is we have to select Microsoft here, Microsoft policies. You can see here the Microsoft. Okay, then again you have to click on the then right click on the Windows folder, select new key from the menu. Okay, so what you have to do is finally double click Microsoft, double click on the Microsoft. Then you have to find here the Windows, right click on the Windows, new key. Okay, what you have to type, new key. So I will tell you again how to enter this, because if you have misbehaved then you will not find this. So first open H key local machine, then you have to open your software. Here is our software. Then in the software tab you will see here the policies. Okay, you will see here the policies in the alphabetical order. Double click on the policies, one click on the policies, then select Microsoft, open Microsoft. Then you will see here the Windows option. Then what you have to do is right click on the Windows. Okay, click new and click on key. Okay, then what you will see here is rename the new folder. It will be called as new key #1. Okay, hashtag, we have to rename the folder new key, and we have to type here #1. Okay, so I have already the folder name, so it will not do this. It's saying me, I will just delete this. I have already the new key -1 folder. Okay, so you will not able to do it. I have this. Then now right click on the personalization folder we just created and select Dovert 32-bit value from the menu. just collect, modify, value data you have to fill here 32. Okay, that was the solution, guys. So just open here, it's showing editing string value data 1, click OK. Yes, so it's done, guys. Fine. So this will solve your problem 100%. No issues here. Then what you have to do is we have to edit group policy. So what you will do is just close this tab. Okay, then we have to type here gp edit. Okay, gp edit, or we have to type here, if you don't find, edit group policy, select edit, so it's not working for me at the way, but I will try to open here by typing the gp edit again, refreshing the PC, gp edit. Okay, so it's not showing here. So what we have to do is we have to open the administrator templates for this. Okay, so what we will do here is edit group policy, then I will type here Windows plus R, again we will try from here, then I will type here gp edit, click OK. It's not showing anything, then I think it will not work for our PC. So thank you for this watching the video, guys. I think you found your solution through the video. Next solution is not working for us because of any reason, so that was one solution that you can follow and you can get rid out of your lock screen. Okay, thank you so much.